Natural home remedies for blackheads. Blackheads are small bumps that appear because of pores becoming clogged with oil and dead skin cells. They're a gentle kind of acne that alHow form evidently, frequently where they're most noticeable, for example around or on the nose, but they may also show up on the rear, chest, neck, arms, and shoulders, most generally in teens and premenstrual women. As blackheads makes it feel like you have a target right in the heart of the face, banishing them as rapidly as you possibly can is essential, which all natural treatments have been discovered is the fastest and many effective for eliminating them. Turmeric and mint juice. Take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and a pair of teaspoons fresh mint juice. Combine the turmeric using the mint juice to create a paste. Apply this paste around the impacted quantity and allow it to dry for 10-15 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Make sure you moisturize the area. Baking soda. Inside a glass or ceramic bowl, combine in regards to a teaspoon of baking soda with just a little water to create a paste. Use the paste to blackheads and let it dry for around 10 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Repeat the remedy a couple of times per week to get rid of debris from pores that induce these to clog, leading to blackheads. Fresh lemon juice. First, wash the face together with your favorite gentle, natural cleanser. Squeeze about 1 teaspoon of juice from your organic lemon right into a glass or ceramic bowl. Dip a cotton pad into the fresh lemon juice and dab it onto any blackheads you have. Let it dry not less than 10 minutes before rinsing with cool water or leave it on being an overnight treatment and rinse the face off each morning.